I'm going to show you how to generate G-code for your CR-30 print mill using the latest development version of Kiri Moto. The first thing you do on GridSpace is select Choose. This allows you to access the development version here. So click on that, go back to GridSpace, and then open in Kiri Moto. You're going to get this help menu the first time. Dismiss that. You're already in FDM mode over here. So the first thing you're going to do is select a machine. I've added a CR-30 right here. That brings up the profile for that. The Z, as you can see here, replaces the Y. Here's the default object, so we can just play around with it really quickly. Click on Slice. You'll see there's the slice view of that, and you can look at the layers like this. Slice does the slicing but not path routing, so if we click Preview, it'll do path routing, and the colors will reflect the speeds. The couple things you want to do really quickly here is under output, you're going to change the shell order from in out to out in, and that's so that the shells that are in contact with the bed will be printed first. That's sort of probably the most critical thing. The second is the base. So when you do this by default, you don't get a brim at the bottom, but we can go in and add a brim, let's say 10 millimeters, and we can actually slow down the base or over extrude here. So let's take a look at that again. It adds a brim to the bottom, which will help adhere it to the bed. So really interested to see how this works for you guys. Look forward to your feedback. Thanks a lot.